Thank you for joining in today, and for today's video I have an art challenge. I haven't done one of these in a while, so this is one. It's been going around for I think a couple months, and the color I chose is blue, and I'm going to be using like everything blue there that I own. There's some colored pencils, markers, and then those are watercolor pencils there. And then I have actual like 8 different ones in that palette. Some swatches there, and I have more over here, and that was just some samplings over there. And this is what we're going to do today. So mine is going to be this abstract landscape in every blue that I own. And I have some close-ups here. I noticed that most people were doing drawings with their, color of choice or whatever. So that's why I decided to go a little bit more with the painting. So it's just something different. And let's see, the actual watercolors in the background, and then the some deeper blues there for the trees for the markers. And I think the contrast is pretty good. There's definitely lots of variation between the blues there. The only thing is I would have loved to use like a white in the end over everything, but of course it's only one color. So I tried to use like a little bit of that lighter blue, and you really couldn't see it. I mean, you could see it like a teeny tiny bit on the trees, but and then I was just playing around, and I squirted a little bit of different blues here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.